Okay, so just a quick video here just to show you the final dual battery install. See how it all looks now it's finished. So I had a complaint yesterday. We had a person who actually sent an email in. I spent hours putting up videos, but then you get a person who actually sent an email in saying, Duncan, you cannot use portrait mode for videos. You're supposed to be a photographer. I said I am a photographer, or was a photographer, but not a videographer. But he said you've got to use this landscape mode, and I guess I kind of agree with him. So we're going to use landscape today all the way, and I'm going to try to use a new mic, an external mic here, and hope that gives us a better sound solution as well. So we're going to try and improve these videos as we go along, but they're not really my thing. It's not what I do, but we're going to try and do as best we can. So I'm just going to move in here so you can see the battery on that side. So there's the original battery, and what I've done here is I have wired these now using XT60 connectors. It's actually hidden right back there, and you can see that I've waterproofed with heat shrink the XT60 connectors. Difference is here I have to solder these. I'm not really into soldering stuff. I don't do much soldering, and I guess I wasn't really confident of doing it, but one of the members said, listen, if you solder it you're going to get a better result, and we should get a better flow of energy through those wires. So I decided, okay, I'm going to do it. So I took all the old connections off, which I'd already done, and so what we've done is we have completely redone the plugs. Let's go take that one out. So this one here, that is the second battery over there. So when I need to, when this battery runs out, the one through on the other side can just be plugged in using the same connector. That's XT60 connectors. And if we move around here, now there you can see what I've done here. I've used some various different heat shrinks. I normally use a couple of layers, a couple of internal ones on the wires and then an outer one, and then at the joints I just use a quite a heavy duty one, which is just designed there just to stop the wear, because that's the part where it's flexing all the time. Don't really know whether it's necessary. It's probably not. I just love over engineering stuff, so that's the way I do it. Second battery there, and pull that one out. Okay, so that's the dual battery install done, and if we have a look, there we go, that's our screen coming on using the first battery. So there we go, that's the my trike now finally complete. You can see there's the new chain which has just been installed, and this morning it's been properly lubricated, and that should, I hope now I am going to be back on the road and ready to go. So look, there we go, all shot nicely in landscape mode. I hope that pleases everybody, and on an external mic. So what we're hoping there is that the sound will be better and we don't get loads and loads of wind, because it is a bit windy today. Can't promise anything until I upload it, but we're going to see what it looks like. So that's a 2009 ICE QNT with dual 48 volt 13 amp batteries installed.